Hey, this is Paul with Roto Rooter. So the other day I got a call from a customer, made an appointment to go out and look at his shower. His shower wouldn't shut off. It would pretty much run all the time. And so when I got there, I knocked on the door. The gentleman came to the door and said, "No, you can go away. I don't want to have it fixed," because he had another company come out and give him a bid of $1,100 to fix the shower leak. And he didn't want to pay that kind of money, so he figured he'd have to pay that kind of money to us. And I convinced him to let me in and just take a look at it. It would be no cost. And so he let me in and showed me the problem, and the other company wanted to replace the entire shower valve, which was a one lever shower valve. And so I asked him, "Why do you want to replace the entire shower valve?" And he said, "Because it didn't work." So anyway, I convinced him to let me work on it, and I replaced this. So the handle, the shower handle, would go right here, and it turns right there. End up fixing it for him for just a hair over $200, and versus over $1,100. So the guy was very happy when I got it fixed. And my point is, it was, I believe it was an out of town rooter business. And they are very expensive. And I want to urge you to shop local, whether that's with us, Roto Rooter, or if that's with somebody else local. But let's shop local and keep some of that money in town, and let's charge people a fair and decent price. We don't have to gouge them. We charge them a fair and decent price, and then next time we get to go back and do some more work for them. So his bill went from over $1,100 to slightly over $200. He was happy. Give us a call, 360-577-1400, and let me see what kind of money I can save you guys. So be safe, God bless, and remember what the jingle says.
Roto Rooter, that's the name, and away go troubles down the drain. Roto Rooter.